Welcome to Weekly FroggyGeek. In this series, I will be sharing the latest news about technology, company, products, and so on by a weekly basis. This will be our very first episode. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Elon Musk had finally closed his $44 billion deal to buy Twitter. After all the drama, he immediately fired the top executives after he has taken the control of Twitter, including the former CEO and CFO. With a statement in one of his tweets, "The bird is freed." The vibes go beyond that. Elon is currently planning on bringing back Vibe from the dead. Some of you may not even heard of it, but Vibe is a short-form video hosting service just like TikTok, where users can share their 6 seconds long videos on the platform, which is released back to 2013, years earlier than the birth of TikTok and YouTube Shorts. We are expecting more move and action will be taken by Elon, such as charging Twitter user for its verified badge into a revenue stream. Especially in this period of time, Elon is also bringing more than 50 software engineers to Twitter from his companies, including Tesla and the Boeing company, in order for Elon to take more actions. Will this be a huge milestone for the company and also a game changer for the social medias out there? We will see in 2023 or even sooner. Coming up next, on October 31, Instagram appears to have gone down worldwide, but rather than being inaccessible, the problem is causing users to be told that their accounts has been suspended. Many users see an error message that says, "We suspended your account on October 31, 2022, and give them a 30 days period to disagree with this decision." Seems like not just the stock went down for Meta, but also their service. Fortunately, the problem is resolved the day after from happening with a simple apology statement made on Twitter. "We resolved this bug now. It was causing people in different parts of the world to have issues accessing their accounts and caused a temporary change for some number of followers. Sorry." However, some of the users are claiming this still not being solved for them. Wish all the Instagram users out there good luck on getting back their accounts, as well as the amount of followers. 2 more executives are stepping down at Apple, bringing the total to 4, leaving the company since August this year. Anna Matheson, also known as the Apple's Vice President of Online Retail, is leaving her position at the company with only 3 years in working for Apple and will be replaced by Karen Rasmussen. She is a former Senior Director of Digital Experience and E-commerce at the company. The reason for her leaving is currently unknown. Additionally, Apple's CIO, the Chief Information Officer, Mary DeBay, is also retiring after 3 decades of his service working at Apple. Let's wish all of them all the best. On the other hand, Europe coming after Apple once again after its victory in mandating USB-C on the Apple's device. Their next target will be the App Store, as well as Google Play Store. The new Digital Market Act entered into force on November 1st and will be starting on May 2nd, 2023 next year. Its goal is to require companies such as Apple to offer alternatives to allow third-party app stores and payment system on its platform. App Store's payment system is no doubt one of their revenue income source, and will this be a hard time for Apple expanding their business in Europe? Let me know what you think. Although you may have already noticed the brand new design for YouTube interface, such as the curved thumbnails, new subscribe button, etc., but the biggest news for YouTube this week, introducing the PrimeTime channels. The PrimeTime channels is basically an integration interface for over 30 streaming services out there, such as Showtime, Paramount Plus, and you can now watch all of them directly without having to leave YouTube. However, Apple TV Plus and Netflix are excluded, at least for now. In my opinion, this is definitely the biggest partnership integration have made by YouTube this year. If you are a YouTube user, also a user with this streaming service platform, you may not have to switching platforms anymore. Amazon Music is now offering 100 million songs to their Prime members, which will be the same amount of what Apple Music is currently providing. But there's a tricky part. Offering 100 million songs to Amazon Prime subscribers listener, this is definitely a huge improvement made by Amazon Music from its previous only 2 million songs. But the problem is it's solely in shuffle mode. That shuffle mode applies to artists, to albums, and to Amazon playlists, which are customized using the data from their users' preference. I have never been a big fan on using Amazon Music just because that I'm not into the Amazon ecosystem. So please tell me what you think about it. Will Amazon Music finally becomes a potential competitor between Spotify and Apple Music? In my opinion, the most interesting topic for this week is definitely Twitter. All of us would like to see what value Elon can bring to the company and the market of social media. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. Your comments will definitely make the series much better. And also make sure you have subscribed to our channel for upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I will see you next week.